Welcome to this MeetingBooster video tutorial on creating and using meeting templates. Now, meeting templates are a great way of helping to standardize some of the meetings that you run and ultimately save time when creating agendas for new meetings. If you're creating a meeting agenda using the MeetingBooster Agenda Builder and want to save it as a template, simply head up to the ribbon toolbar and select Save as Template. You can then categorize a series of folders and labels to identify your different meeting agendas. That way, when you're coming to then create a new meeting by selecting the new agenda, you can simply select from one of your existing templates within the MeetingBooster system. And as you can see, that folder structure helps you to identify meeting templates as well as templates that are associated to any meeting series that you've created. Here you can see it's populated the meeting agenda based off that template, saving time and helping to formalize some of those processes.